Okay, so today you're going to do a review for ionic compounds. So what you have is you have a domino review. So what this means is whenever you open up this assignment, please make sure you hit edit so it opens up in a bigger window so you're not trying to do it in Schoology. So you have the main page is the first thing you see, which has got your directions. So you're going to match the names and formulas on the dominoes to each other, making a chain. The green start domino that's already placed starts you off. You need to find the domino that has the formula for sodium chloride and drag that domino to the next spot. So you are matching formulas and names together, so end to end. Then continue the chain by matching names and formulas. The chain ends with the red end domino on the red spot on the game board. Sorry. Okay, so your dominoes are over here. So these are drag and drop. So you're going to just drag the whole thing. So you would just drag whichever one's supposed to go next. So I'm not saying this is it. And you're going to follow the directions on the dominoes here that tell you what to do. Because remember, you're making a chain. So whenever you get over here, notice how on this question it says, so rotate to the right so that the question is on the right side of the domino. So you're going to rotate to the right. So that little button there, that's the rotate button. So you rotate so that it fits there. Then you keep going, you know, and you want to drag the whole thing. So if you accidentally just click one spot like that, just don't do anything. Just you want to drag the whole thing over. Okay, so you would rotate to the right. You're matching the ends up, so on and so forth. Whenever you get down here, it says rotate until the text is upside down. So you can just take it, rotate it all the way upside down, and then that would go there. When you get to the left-hand side, it says rotate to the left, so we simply rotate to the left. That way your dominoes all connect correct side to correct side. So please make sure you're reading the directions and you're also reading what this domino placement mat tells you to do. In the off chance that you mess up a domino or you actually accidentally delete a domino, this is just an extra set of those dominoes in case you need them. It also tells you how to rotate the dominoes. So you're going to click on the arrow up here, or it's that little blue dot, and then you just hold to the left or right. Um, so, you know, rotate it left or right depending on which way you got to go. So that's how you're doing this assignment. The second part of what you need to do today is remember that it's the end of the 6 weeks, so you need to turn in your extra credit passes. So in order to do this, you're going to need to get a sheet of notebook paper. Very first thing you need to do is you need to write your name on it, because if your name's not on it, I'm not going to know who it belongs to. So you're going to write your name on it, and then you are going to take your passes. Remember, you have your restroom passes. So um, if you if you cut all yours out, that's fine. But you just need to make sure so you can group them together and staple them. But you're going to staple your passes. You don't have to staple it all the way down. One staple's fine. So these right here, they're just extra credit, period. Then you have your orange passes. So once again, if you cut them all, just make sure you staple them all on here. Now these orange passes are a little bit different. Remember, 2 of these is a missing work pass. So if you still currently have missing work, and this is only for daily work, so this does not work on, so no test, no Hog Hilton, because remember that was a quiz grade, and it also does not work on the last completion grade, which I will put in. Okay. So that's the assignments in the grade, but it doesn't work for it. It doesn't work for the test, doesn't work for Hog Hilton, and it doesn't work for completion grades. So if you have missing work and you want this to go in place of it, put the assignment here. So look at Skyward and tell me what the assignment is. Do not just name it just because it says e-config practice. Please don't put electron configuration. Put what the actual assignment name is on Skyward so I know what to do. So if you want to turn it in order to just excuse a assignment, you need to put what assignment it is on here. Otherwise, if you're turning these in for just extra credit, you don't have to do anything. You're going to just staple it. You'll turn this page into the green basket that I have up front for extra credit. And then all the extra credit will go on to your highest test grade because that's where it's going to make the most difference. Um, and then, yeah, so that's how you're going to do your extra credit. That's how you get it turned in. So if you don't do this part, then you just don't get your extra credit for the 6 weeks because it's got to be turned in today. So that's what I have for you. That's what you need to do. Should be done by end of class. I hope y'all have a great weekend. Good luck to any of my students who may be playing in the game tonight. I hope y'all win against Wax Trashy. Sorry, I have family that live up there, so they're always telling me the nicknames of these places. But anyways, so good luck against Waxahachie. Hope y'all win and have a good weekend.